Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. Today, we will show you the 5 best portable sewing machines for advanced beginners in 2026. So, let's get started. Number 5. Singer Quanon Stylist 9960. Ready to unlock total creative freedom? The Singer 9960 is an absolute beast for advanced beginners looking to level up. Packed with 600 built-in stitches, 13 presser feet, and a massive extension table, it tackles heavy quilting and complex garments with total ease. We especially love the automatic needle threader and a hands-free start or stop button for ultimate control. If you want a feature-rich powerhouse that will grow with your skills for years, this is your perfect match. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Brother CS7000X Sewing and Quilting Machine. If you want a reliable workhorse without being overwhelmed by hundreds of stitches, this Brother machine strikes the perfect balance. It features 70 curated stitches and an improved automatic needle threader that saves your eyes from strain. The durable metal frame keeps it steady during heavy-duty sewing, while the expanded workspace and wide table give you plenty of room for quilts and bulkier garments. It is an incredibly user-friendly, budget-conscious choice that gives advanced beginners plenty of room to grow. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Janome Blue Couture Sewing Machine. Don't let the stylish blue exterior fool you. This machine is a sturdy, metal-framed workhorse. With 15 essential stitches and adjustable lengths, it strips away the digital confusion so you can focus entirely on perfecting your technique. The handy built-in bobbin diagram and video tutorials make troubleshooting a breeze. It is the perfect, highly portable choice for advanced beginners who want a reliable, mechanical machine without any complex menu screens. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. FEIYUE FYe350 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. Looking for incredible power without the massive bulk? This compact beast features an energy-saving servo motor that cuts through thick denim and canvas like butter. Advanced beginners will love the ultra-low speed control for precision work. Plus, its smart thread jam protection stops the machine and blinks to prevent motor damage. With 23 stitches and an automatic needle threader, it gives you industrial strength performance in a highly portable package. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Taking the number 1 spot is an absolute legend in the sewing community. If you are an advanced beginner ready to tackle serious garments, thick denim, or heavy canvas, this gray workhorse is unbeatable. It packs 50% more power than standard machines and flies at a blistering 1,100 stitches per minute, saving you serious time. With a rugged metal interior frame, 23 built-in stitches, and a fully automatic one-step buttonhole, it delivers commercial-grade piercing power in a highly portable design. It is the ultimate reliable powerhouse that will never limit your creativity. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.